are a family business. We've been established since 1973 in the steel roll forming business. We buy coils of SSAB, we slit them to sheets, or we roll form them direct from coil into finished products for various use. What you find is that everything on the roof is usually only to keep the building waterproof, but nowadays the roof is also part of the design, and because of that the roof is more or less the fifth gable of the building. That's why architects more and more want to choose for a distinguishing product to use on this fifth gable. One of the latest additions to our product range is the click-fell system, which is a standing seam system. The malleability of green coated steel is perfectly suitable to use on the click fells because of the narrow bands and the folds we make into the profile. So we didn't have to adjust any tooling to manufacture the click fell system. One of the advantages of using the click fell system is that it had a variable cover width. So we look at the design of the longhouse. The architect was very specific about the dimensioning of the building and the dimensioning of the building materials. So we could adjust the cover width of the roof sheets to the size of the roof lights and the solar panels. And we could also set the roof out from the center and make sure that we had even sizes on both gable ends, which made the design very symmetrical and very detailed. It's also very easy to install. It's got pre-slotted holes. They're long-formed holes, so we give the material the possibility to expand or to shrink depending on the changes in temperature. All you need is a pocket full of fasteners and a screw gun, and then you can install, anyone can install it. We also build commercial buildings. For example, we're working on a new headquarters of a main contractor, and he decided instead of a non-ferrous metal roof to have a green coat steel roof. One of the nice things about green coat is that in Sweden they use the locally harvested rapeseed oil to replace the mineral oils. So with the Swedish rapeseed oil we contribute to keeping the CO2 footprint as low as possible. We've only revived our relationship with SSAB a couple of years ago, but it was like meeting an old friend. Communication with the factory in Sweden is very good. So not only the quality is excellent, but also the performance of the organization behind it is good.